Hi, welcome to day 12, and the topic for today is simple past. Now, what we're going to basically do is we're going to take a look at what is simple past, and I'm going to give you some clue words. What are clue words? Words that give you an indication. Okay, so if I say last week, or if I say last month, last year, yesterday, 2 years ago, last night, last summer. So all these are clue words, words that indicate something of the past. Okay. So we're going to take a look at affirmative sentences. Okay. It is constructed with subject plus simple past. So the first sentence is we played. Okay. So what did we do? We played. We is the subject. Played is the simple past. Okay. The next sentence is they played. They is the subject and played is the simple past. This word here, ed, indicates that it's the past. The third one is I played, which is also simple past. Let's take a look at negative sentences. Okay, so it's going to be subject plus the word did plus the word not plus the word infinitive. Infinitive means the original root verb. Okay, so I did not play, or you can either say I play or you can say I did not play. So I did not play, or you can say I didn't play. It's just the short form of the word not. The O is removed and an apostrophe is put. So the next sentence is she didn't play. If you see here, the verb did not is used in a contracted form. What is the contracted form? They have dropped the O and put an apostrophe there. So she didn't play. The third sentence is we didn't play. So the first I, she, we are subjects, and play is the infinitive verb of the word play, and did not is used in the contracted form. Let's take a look at interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are sentences that ask questions. Interrogative means questions. Okay, so what is the structure of it? Did, the word did plus subject plus in the infinitive tense. So A, did you study? It's a question. Someone is asking someone, did you study? B, did she study? The third C is did they study? So did, and then they put the subject, and then they've added the infinitive tense. So these are the way you can interrogatively ask somebody questions. The simple past talks about action, and in the event of the past, they are now finished. Okay, let's take a look at a few examples. He phoned me last week. When did he phone me? Last week. So this indicates that it has already happened in the past. B, we didn't play soccer yesterday. When we didn't play? Yesterday. So the word yesterday indicates the past tense. C, Shakespeare wrote many plays. What did he write? He wrote many plays. He's not writing right now, but he wrote it in the past. Okay. So because it's the past tense, it indicates the word wrote. He doesn't work here anymore. Okay. So this particular word anymore indicates the past tense. All right. So now that we've learned a little bit of past tense, let's take a look at past tense is also used to indicate that something happened at a specific time in the past. So when can we use the past tense? You can use it to indicate a specific time in the past. Let's take a look. The plane to London departed 5 minutes ago. When did it happen? When did the plane depart? When did the plane go? It went 5 minutes ago. So this word here, ago, shows or indicates that it's the past tense. We bought a new house when? Last month. So this indicates it's the past tense. It's not right now. It's not going to be in the future, but it's already happened. See, he learned to play the piano 2 months ago. The very word learned indicates its past tense. 2 months ago again indicates past tense. The new year began last week. So when did it begin? It began last week, showing indications of the past. The next one, past tense is used to talk about a state or a certain period of the past. It is also used to denote a certain period, like very specifically. So he was in the hospital. How many days? He was in the hospital for 4 days. And he's not right now in the hospital. He was in the hospital. This word was indicates that it was the past tense and not the present tense. B, she lived in Tokyo for 3 years. For how many years? 3 years. But she's not living right now, but she lived in the past. C, they worked in France for 5 years. So the word worked indicates, this word ed indicates that it is the past tense. So they don't work there anymore, or they're not working there right now. Simple past is also used with today, this morning, this week, etc. when the periods are finished at the time of speaking. So I didn't wash my car today. Here the word I didn't wash my car today, which means today is already over, and that's the reason why I didn't wash it. So the day is over. It means he will not have time to wash his car today. Okay. He addressed 5 customers in the morning. The word addressed, ed, indicates that in the morning, he attended to 5 customers. The morning is now over. It's not morning anymore. He didn't do his homework this week. Okay, so this week indicates that it's past tense. The week is over and he does not have the opportunity to do his homework. Okay, now let's take a look at the task for today. And what you will do is we're going to basically give you some words. Okay, you need to build on them. You need to make sentences. So what you basically need to do is frame a paragraph and shoot the video. For example, you can imagine and do. You could use your, real-time situations, or you can even imagine. Now, let me give you an example quickly. Manager shouting, okay, manager shouting, explaining manager situation, okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to tell you, today morning, my manager was shouting at me and it took such a long time for me to explain in detail what had happened. So while explaining the situation to my manager, I felt so tired and exhausted after doing that. So I'm just giving you an example as to how I can use these words and make a story, create a story, imagine. Now that you know to talk, you need to start talking now. So today is day 12 and you need to start talking. So when you start talking, what happens is you will use these words, this simple past, everything is in the past tense. Okay, but if you want, you could change it too. But nevertheless, you need to employ all these words. You can add more to it, okay, but you need to talk for at least 2 minutes to 5 minutes. So create your own story, imagine or tell us the truth. Whatever it is, you need to make a video and send it to us. Again, if you're needing any help, please message us and we will jump in to help you. Okay, I will see you all in another video. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye now.